Yo, what is up? I'm Zach. Welcome back to my channel of RWBY Mythology. Today we're gonna watch and react the third chapter of RWBY Abridged, titled Miss Valkyrie tear down tear down this what whatever. You probably could see the thumbnail because I cannot read the rest. Before I continue on, link in the video will be down below. Scratch plus, go see the video myself. Full screen when on my commentary, go support the official release. Make sure you guys like, comment, share, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell for more RWBY content. And that shows it means a lot to me that you guys want to see more RWBY content on this channel. Yeah. The first two was pretty good, and I cannot wait to watch this. So, yeah, without the way, let's just go in and dive into it.
The following is a fan-based parody. RWBY is owned and produced by Rooster Productions. Please support the official release. And us. If you want.
John?
I need money, please.
Mr. Ark, you do realize we can't monetize these, right?
Aw, man.
Oh, wait, hold.
Ren! Oh, Ren!
What time is it?
Summertime! It's our vacation!
Oh,
Wait,
good.
what?
I love that film! I'm so happy I finally made it into an episode. I've been wanting to break that fourth wall forever.
Breaking the fourth
If you
wall?
listen to the comment section on this, they're gonna be like, she's like Deadpool with a vagina!
Oh my
Seriously,
god,
though,
she
isn't it
is.
awesome? I have my very own audience, Ren. And a very vulnerable audience at that. This is
She's the
fun.
Deadpool.
Maybe
No,
I can trick them with one
Gwen
thousand
Pool.
Ooh, I can start a war over whether Crow is RWBY's dad. That'll get under their skin. And did you
Oh,
get a
no,
donut?
please
Or
don't.
the animator's lazy? I know. What if I went off the script? What if I went complete? What if I swap places with Coco so I get shipped with Velvet? But that would leave you with John. What's up?
Did you go to Schneebugs this morning? Never mind, Nora. Let's go.
Promise I won't have caffeine for a week.
The hell?
I wonder what they slip into her coffee cup.
God only knows. So, want to tell me what sketch so happy?
Nope. You got to figure that out for yourself. Well, let's just say I lost a lot of sleep over good
RWBY, come on. When are you gonna stop entertaining this weird fantasy of yours and find a nice guy?
Stop it already! In case you couldn't tell, I am not a child anymore! And by the way, I don't need a guy when I have machines! That is that.
Dad had to unsubscribe from Popular Mechanics.
Okay, let me tell you something!
Bleh.
You are not and will never be in charge of me!
I know that, Rubes. I just thought...
I know what you thought! You thought you could tell me what to do with
My life. Why does my life have to be so difficult?
Yeah,
I
like
don't
that.
need to network with people. I'm too socially awkward to network. What am I gonna do?
So, Pyrrha, have you ever found yourself dehydrated during a fight? Have you ever taken a severe blow because of a side stitch? Or maybe you had a thirst you could never quench?
I suppose so. But I'm not really in the market for cactus juice.
No, we're looking for a face for our brand new line of protein shakes.
Then count me in.
Awesome!
Wait.
The greatest warrior of our time endorsing our products. I knew
Oh,
my charm and
good
dazzling
Lord.
beauty would win her over. A few extra ingredients in her drink, and she'll destroy everyone in the tournament.
Oh my
Imagine the
God.
sales, the money, the cartels shall bow before us.
Not so fast there, Scarface. Jean at your service.
Oh my God.
You can service me, Jean.
Maybe.
Ooh!
So, Weiss. I bet
The
that's
way
what
she
you
said
love
it?
built for your
Hold
own
up!
Your biceps look like wet noodles.
No worries, I could do a few quick curls. So, be sure to think hard about me. A sexy blonde bombshell posing for your photos. How does
Oh
that
my
sound?
god!
Blondie, I certainly love a built-in barrel bombshell, so...
Who doesn't? But Pyrrha, I'm afraid flattery will get you nowhere. We're rising up.
John, listen. I decided to give the position to Pyrrha.
You sure about that?
She'll make me more money in one day than you will ever earn.
So what? Okay, fine.
Ooh.
Next time.
Oh, cheer up, Sean. I have a nice sheath for your sword.
You do?
Pyrrha, will you close your legs already?
Oh shit. Oh shit. Pure slide on that
Nearly
DM?
80 years ago, a great war
Sheesh.
consumed this continent. Many feared our land would never know peace again. But after years of turmoil, a resolution was passed which brought an end to the bloodshed.
Please say something
But
funny,
peace is not
Oscar.
without its
Please
cost,
say
which is why
something
the
funny,
resolution
Michael.
created an annual contest of swords. This contest, which pits young fighters from different lands against one another in an ever-changing arena, serves as an eternal reminder of our terrible past. You all have been chosen to compete in this contest.
Please
By
say
the end
something
of
funny.
it,
Please say
only
something
one
funny.
of
Please
you
say something
remains
funny.
standing.
Please say something
As for
funny.
the rest of you, you will be dead.
Wait, what?
Ozpin, the Vital Tournament isn't the freaking Hunger Games.
I feel
Oh God, I hope not.
How about the fact that no one dies?
Well, humans don't.
Prepare for launch.
Nani?
Professor, what exactly are we doing?
Have you ever seen Too Fast, Too Furious, Mr. Ock?
Oh no!
Do you remember Ejecto-Cito?
Oh no! That's a bit of reference. That's some reference.
Cannon ready.
Surprised Oz hasn't watched those pipsqueaks that Kingdom Come yet. Getting a little bored up here. Oh no. RWBY!
Wait, that's Crow? Wait, that's Crow? Hold up. Oh, goddamn.
I know I should have stayed home today.
Damn. Oh God. Boom.
You're welcome, Stud Muffin.
Sun Muffin. Oh, damn.
Hey there, Weiss. I'll make a chainsaw commercial if you get me down from here.
Chainsaw.
I'll do it for free.
Hey, John. Enjoying the view up there?
I wasn't staring.
I wasn't staring. The meme, the video. Don't look at it, don't look at it, don't look at it. God damn it, John! That meme. Oh my God. Sun Muffin? Oh damn! That was quick. Yeah, and Uncle Crow. Oh God, he plays Uncle Crow too. Damn. Zoe Moon as Valkyrie. Damn. I'm just lost for word for how Pura said to John, Son Muffin? I'm still confused. Like, huh? She really tried to slide that DM? That quick. Damn. I don't know what else to say. But, anyway. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Like, comment, share, subscribe. Link in the video down below. Go see the video for yourself. Links to my other channels, my social media, and my Discord server. All that will be down below. You guys will enjoy all the shenanigans. Again, like, comment, share, subscribe. And I'll see you guys later. RWBY is love. RWBY is life. Keep moving forward. And I'll see you guys later.